There we go. Was that take
Started.
one?
You went into all clearing the mind.
Yeah, so yeah, this is what it's about. It's the clarity. Once you are clear, you can actually manifest and attract anything. Literally anything.
So now what we're looking at.
Anything.
Now what we're looking at right now, this second for this video, is what we're looking at is how to create the frankincense to immerse itself in a room, but without the charcoal.
Okay.
And in an oil burner.
So in an oil burner, it's very beneficial to use the charcoal. It's better.
But you don't use the charcoal in an oil burner, so start
No.
getting
So however, in an oil burner, this is for people who don't like to use the charcoal. So you put the candle in here.
Yeah.
You put some kitchen foil here, which keeps
foil, kitchen foil.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the foil will keep this clean. Otherwise, you have to keep scrubbing it, and it gets dirty.
I like scrubbing mine, but that's me.
So
I have lots of them.
And then once you put the candle and the foil, you put the resin on top, and that will create you'll get a light smell from that.
Yeah, you don't get the full smell though, do
smoke.
you? Right,
Yeah,
you don't get the
smoke.
big hit.
No,
Right.
it's a very lightweight. But I like thick smoke. I mean, if you really want to experience
You like thick
frankincense,
smoke.
you got to smoke out. There's nothing better than
So
thick
let's just
smoke.
go through this again. So, candle, candle, tin foil,
Yeah.
and
the
the
resin on top.
resin on top.
So candle, foil, resin. When the resin is burnt, you take the foil and throw it away, and you can put more.
you wouldn't just add the resin to
Or
the
you-
foil.
you
just
can,
keep
you
using
can.
it, because if you're not going to use the, so I thought you'd do like some water or oil version with the resin.
You don't have to. No, you can use that with the oil, not with
No,
the
let's say
resin.
you don't have the oil, so you would not liquefy the resin.
No, because the resin you want the thick heat because the resin liquefies itself.
Okay.
The resin
Okay.
will liquefy, so
Okay. Okay.
maybe later you can add water to the liquefied resin and see what that does. That would probably reignite it again. I think.
Okay.
But yeah, that's that way.
And do you want to talk us through the 5 oils?
So we have 5 different species of frankincense oil. It's a bit sticky here. What's going on?
It's covered with frankincense resin.
So that happens. Everything gets sticky. So you have Boswellia carteri. Boswellia carteri is the product from Somalia, which is very good for general use for aromatherapy. You can use it in massage if you blend it with a carrier oil. Boswellia serrata is scientifically proven to be the best for arthritis pain. So if you have pains in your knees, joints, you can apply this topically pure, a few drops into the painful area, or if it's for a larger area, you can mix it with a base oil. Boswellia
I'm sorry, we're going to come back to this. And you also do this in a resin.
It is available in resin, but we don't have that resin.
Okay.
The reason we don't have that resin because the resin doesn't smell great. It smells like burnt rubber.
Okay.
So it's something.
Okay.
But the oil smells very sweet. So there's a. It's quite interesting that. Boswellia sacra is the finest quality of the frankincense species, but also our specific sacra oil is one of the best tested for its purity and stuff. Reason being,
like the last 4 years I've spent with that oil. It's like my friend, like
Because,
my travel companion.
because it's what goes into it. I mean, we travel all the way to Man to get it. It's the guy uses our top resins to make the resin, and it's for a medical use, which means you can take it internally.
Oh no, wait a
it
second. You're
purifies-
saying he uses a resin.
the higher grade. So these ones would be in one sack.
So he uses those resins to make this
sacra.
one. Oh right,
Whereas
so it's not
most-
on its own.
Whereas most people use the black frankincense,
Yeah.
which is the same as this, and you can see here with pure evidence here that this is the one that produces most oil.
Yeah, I'm coming back in to get that.
So this oil is what people use for oil distillation.
I
because you
should have
get more of a
Facebook
yield,
Live this.
but not with them ones. But it's better for medicine.
This would have been the best Facebook Live in ages. Okay, so
We have
nobody's
no
ever
Facebook
been
Live.
here.
We just do a Facebook Live.
No, that's what I'm just realizing. I should have Facebook Live this, but I didn't. I do a lot. I do a couple. I do like 2 a week. All right, so we're here. We're in the middle. We're in the middle.
Yeah, so we're with the sacra. Sacra is very good for purification of your DNA cells. We've had many people using it to suppress their cancer symptoms, and we've had good results. And that's probably one of the best uses of that for DNA. Even if without cancer, it just puts you in a higher state of consciousness. It gives you feel the detoxification within your body.
You do. Hey,
It really is something. That's king of oils right there. Then you got Boswellia neglecta. Boswellia neglecta is the one from North Kenya, Somalia, Kenya border. This frankincense oil is very good for scars and wounds. So if you have a scar on your skin or a cut,
Okay.
it will heal your skin pigmentation fast and reset
Do you think
the
it
skin.
would help this?
I think it will. Yeah.
Okay,
Maybe show me the
Susanna
scar
has
a
just
bit,
showed the scar from her knee surgery. So she's looking for something to get herself, and I think we found it.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Donna.
So, and then we have Boswellia ferriana, which is from our chewing gum frankincense, the Made gum, and that's very good in cosmetic use. So, like you could use that in oil, in your hair, in cosmetics, cream. All of them you can actually use in creams. It's not a problem for
Right.
face. But what I've just said about each one is specifically for
So this is
them
just to
reasons.
recap. Skin care.
hair. Is very good for the hair and oral hygiene.
Okay.
Scars and wounds, DNA purification,
Ingestion. You
Yep.
can drink that one.
and this one.
Oh, you can drink these too.
And this
Drink
is
those
for
too.
arthritis pain.
Arthritis pain.
And again, this for, I would say mainly for aromatherapy. For
Mommy, I think I
massage.
bought you that one, but if I didn't, I'm sorry.
Yeah, that
Oh,
is definitely, it's got really
Absolutely. Okay, so if you've never been here, the boys have a proper home now. They were in Camden for ages, but now they're where they belong in West London with the rest of us. I'm a West London girl, so here we go. Rocking it. Rocking it. Thank you so much for all your help.